In this video tutorial, you will learn how to hide widget titles in WordPress. You can see that these widget titles on my sidebar area are taking too much space and I just prefer not having them. If you feel the same way, then I will show you a very easy way how to remove them. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New, in the search bar type Widget Options and press Enter. This is the plugin we are looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if the plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, we can then go to our widgets and make some changes. So, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. These are the widgets on my sidebar. Click here to expand the widget settings, and because of the plugin we just installed, we have additional options here. Click on this gear icon here, and now we have an option to hide widget titles. Click here to hide the title, and then click on Save. Repeat the same process for all other widgets. And remember to click on Save every time. After you're done, let's go back to the website and reload this page. And as you can see, the widget titles are now hidden. This is how you can hide widget titles in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.